Actor Jayasurya's controversial statement regarding the dilapidated condition of roads is becoming a hot topic of discussion in the state. The actor had directed scathing criticism against the Public Works Department for the dire state of the roads. Responding to the actor's comment, Minister of Public Works Department PA Mohammad Riaz on Saturday said that the government has positively accepted his criticism. He assured that the government will come up with a solution to avoid disruption of road works during the rainy season. Everyone has a right to express their opinion. Incessant rains have been interrupting the work of the Public Works Department. The government is trying to find a solution to this problem, the minister reiterated. Meanwhile, the minister pointed out that Jayasurya favored the department's activities in his speech. There is only 10,000 km of roads in Cherrapunji and there are over 3.5 lakh km of roads in Kerala. It is also worthwhile to remember that the vast majority of roads in the state have not been significantly damaged in these adverse weather conditions, he added. Previously, the actor had spoken out against the poor state of Kerala's roads during a Public Works Department event in Thiruvananthapuram on Saturday. Actor Jayasurya issued a statement as an explanation for his criticism of Kerala's terrible condition of roads. Minister Mohammad Riaz had invited Jayasurya to speak at the event. As a result of his statements making news, Jayasurya resorted to Facebook to pen an explanation to justify his side. He emphasized in a Facebook post that he had sought permission from the minister before criticizing the deplorable state of Kerala's roads. The actor said that the minister had told him to speak frankly during the event, and also added that he was invited to the event because of his open-minded nature. Riaz is a minister who wants positive changes in the state. He is a minister who listens to people's voice and values it. He had promised that all issues raised at the event will be addressed, wrote Jayasurya on his Facebook post. He also lauded the minister for taking the bold step to display the name and contact details of the contractor in charge of the work of each road. Such a revolutionary move, which is only seen in foreign countries, will come into force in Kerala too. The contractor will be responsible for any damage to the road, so allowing the public to audit the road works will uphold the democratic nature of the government. I'm proud of Minister Riaz's effort and have hope in the upcoming developmental activities, reads the actor's FB post. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.